Who's coming today? Soju! Oh, here she is. Here's our baby, Soju. Can't wait. Soju? Soju!
Come on, baby.
Hello! Hello! Soju!
I puked just then.
Oh, you puked. You've been too long in there, huh, baby?
Come on.
Oh, don't be. Oh, and you got a beautiful little collar on. Oh,
He's a baby.
and the baby, welcome. Oh, you're feeling a bit rough. It's been too long in that. Hey, and the fun begins, Soju. And the fun begins. Come, you can go. We won't go in the back way, though. Yeah. Hello, darling. Hello. Yeah, but not. I mean, we can walk in the garden.
Well, I'll come back and bring you fun.
Yeah.
We can have a walk around.
Hello, darling. Hello, my darling. You have a nice. There's lots of. Oh, good girl. Good girlie. You're having a pee-pee. Good girl. Oh, she's so beautiful. Look, she's meeting the Snowpinga. Look, Soju, it's Snowpinga. Hey. That feels better. He's a good girl. He's a good girl. Welcome to our home. Little girl, welcome. Yeah, I know. She's not used to. She doesn't even know us. Soju. These are my friends. That's Gracie and Mark and Abby. They're my very bestest friends. Is she soft?
She's really soft.
She's not used to children.
She had a bath today. She had a bath today.
See?
Oh my, that's so cute.
Soju, come.
I think that's why you saw we saw like a dog, like a snow.
Yeah, we wanted to make sure she would feel welcome. But look, she's just a good girl.
Yeah, I split.
Huh?
You've got 3. That's wicked.
You're so good. There you go. Good girly. Good girly. Good girly.